Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Andriani Prambudi. I'm from RPL Accounting, Faculty of Economics and Business, Jakarta State University. Today I'm gonna present about my thesis defense. The title is The Influence of Green Investment, Profitability, and Firm Size on Carbon Emission Disclosure in Energy Sector Companies listed on the IDX. So, this is the background of my research. Climate change has become a global issue due to the increasing emission of greenhouse gases, with the energy sector being the largest contributor to emission both globally and in Asia. Depends on fossil fuels in mining activities has led to high carbon emission and increased environmental pressure. And the phenomenon is reflected in the different carbon emission management and disclosure practice among energy sector companies. And this difference indicate that environmental commitment is not always accompanied by optimal carbon emission disclosure, highlighting in the importance of examining the factor that influence carbon emission disclosure. And this is the research question. The first question is, does green investment affect carbon emission disclosure? The second is, does profitability affect carbon emission disclosure? And the last is, does firm size affect carbon emission disclosure? And the next is the purpose and the benefit of research. The purpose of the research is to analyze of green investment, profitability, and firm size to carbon emission disclosure. And the benefit, it will be two part. The first part is theoretical benefit, and the last benefit is practical. And this is the supporting theories. In this research, use stakeholder theory. Stakeholders theory state that companies are responsible not always to only shareholder but also to all stakeholder. According to Edward Freeman, company must fulfill stakeholder information needs, including information related to environmental impact, and therefore carbon emission disclosure represent a form of corporate accountability to stakeholder. And the next is carbon emission disclosure refers to the reporting of emission information generated from corporate activities. This purpose is to provide transparency to stakeholders regarding environmental impact and climate change. In Indonesia, carbon emission disclosure remains voluntary and is measured using the Carbon Emission Disclosure Index, which consists of 18 indicators. And the next is green investment. The green investment refers to investment allocated by companies to activity that support environmental sustainability. This investment reflects the implementation of environmental, social, and government principle. And this research, green investment is measured by the ratio of environmental expenditure to total asset. And the next is profitability. That refers to a company ability to generate profit from its available research. And in this research, profitability is measured using ROA, which evaluates how efficient a company utilizes its total asset to generate profits. ROA is particularly relevant for energy sector companies because their operation rely heavily on fixed asset. And the next is firm size, represent the scale of company operation. Larger companies tend to face greater public pressure to disclosure environmental information. In this research, firm size is measured using the natural logarithm of total asset. And this is hypothesis development and conceptual work. The first hypothesis is green investment has significant and positive effect on carbon emission disclosure. The second hypothesis is profitability has a significant and positive effect on carbon emission disclosure. And the last hypothesis is size firm has significant and positive effect on carbon emission disclosure. And the next is all about previous research. We can see on the table. And the next is research method. The population in this research consists of energy sector companies listed on the IDX during the period 2021 until 2024. The research object include green investment, profitability, and firm size. and the total population consists of 26 companies. And this is the criteria of sample. And the next is discuss about descriptive statistical analysis. The study utilized a sample of 26 energy sector companies comprising 104 companies over the 2021 until 2024 period, and the average of carbon emission disclosure, and this is the average of green investment and the proportion of environmental investment, and then the next is the average of firm size. And this is panel data regression model assumption test. In conclusion of the table, the random effect model was selected as the most appropriate estimation model of this research. And this is 3 tests. First test is Chow, the second test is Hausman, and the final test is LM test. And this is classical assumption test. This is normality test. The result of the Jacques-Weber normality test show a profitability value. Since the value is greater than 0.005, it can be conclude that the residual are normally distributed and satisfy the normal assumption. And this is multicollinearities test. The result indicate that all the independent variables have center shift value below 10. And in conclusion, the result demonstrate that the research model does not exhibit multicollinearities. And the next is heterokedacity test. The result using Glatzer method show an R-square probability value that since the value is greater than 0.05, it can be concluded that the regression model is free from the problem of heterokedacity. And this is about panel data regression. The analysis was conducted using a random effect model. Green investment has a positive coefficient, but is not significant. And then the next is profitability with ROA has a negative coefficient, but it's not significant. And the last is firm size. Firm size has a positive and significant coefficient with respect to a carbon emission disclosure. And this is hypothesis test. This hypothesis test will be 3 parts. The first part is R-square test. The adjusted R-square indicate the model explain of the variation in carbon emission disclosure. And fit-test show a value indicating that all independent variables join have a significant effect on carbon emission disclosure. And the last test is t-test atau partial based on the panel data regression estimate ratio shown in the table previous slide. The result of the t-test are as follow. Particularly green investment and profitability has no significant effect on carbon emission disclosure, but company size or firm size, we can call it, has a positive and significant effect on carbon emission disclosure. And this is about discussion, the influence of green investment on carbon emission disclosure. Green investment does not have a significant effect on carbon emission disclosure. And then environmental expenditure are largely located to operational activity such as waste management, energy efficiency, and regulatory compliance. And in this variable, carbon emission disclosure in Indonesia remains voluntary disclosure. So consequently, it's not influenced more by internal corporate policies than by the magnitude of environmental investment. And the next is we can discuss about the influence of profitability on carbon emission disclosure. Profitability in this research does not have a significant effect on carbon emission disclosure because a company's profitability is not the primary factor driving it to disclose carbon emission disclosure. And this because a larger portion of the company profit is allocated to operational activities and business development. So carbon emission disclosure is driven more by corporate commitment and stakeholder demands. And the next is discussion about the influence of science firm on carbon emission disclosure in this research. In this research, firm size has a positive and significant effect on carbon emission disclosure because the larger the company, the more extensive is its carbon emission disclosure. So, larger companies poses more substantial research, more complex operational activities, and greater public exposure. So, this condition drive companies to change their transparency as a form of accountability to stakeholder. And this is the conclusion of the research. Based on the result of this research on 26 energy sector companies listed on the IDX during the 2021 until 2024 period, the following conclusion can be drawn. The first is green investment has no significant effect on carbon emission disclosure. The second is profitability withdrawal has no significant effect on carbon emission disclosure. And then the last is size firm has a positive and significant effect on carbon emission disclosure because indicating that larger companies tend to disclosure carbon emission information more extensively. And the next is recommendation. Recommendation for future researches include additional variable that may influence carbon emission disclosure. And the next recommendation for future researches as expand the research scope to other industry sectors and extend the study period. And the next recommendation for companies to enhance transparency in carbon emission reporting as a form of accountability to stakeholder. And the next is for regulators to encourage improvement in the quality of carbon emission reporting through stronger sustainability reporting policies. And that's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.